How do you see the GDP number? There has been some talk in the market that the inflation deflator seems to be not working the way it's supposed to be. An 8.2 number, highest in 6 quarters, and here we are wondering why there is a profit booking on the Nifty.
See, I think, one thing that we have to, look at is that, the 8% growth that we saw, none of the constituents of the GDP numbers actually showed 8% growth, right? So that is one thing that we have to keep in mind. So a lot of it is happening because of the deflator. Now the fact is that once you, see a change in the base year that is going to probably come up next year, the numbers are going to get restated. So probably the GDP numbers will actually start looking better from what it is today. So the point is that instead of looking at the GDP numbers, as investors, we have access to management commentary, we have access to quarterly numbers, and that is, I think, what we should look at from a more empirical bottoms-up view.
Okay, wonderful. That's the view forward. But at this point of time, against the backdrop of this strong GDP show, what are the stocks that come to your mind in terms of investments?
So, instead of stocks, let me go, look at the industries one by one. So, for example, if I look at the quarters that has gone by, where has the median EPS growth in numbers come through? So Nifty Metals has actually shown very good results. And median, I think, around 40%. Realty has shown very good growth in EPS, more than 30%. Chemicals has shown very good growth. Healthcare, pharma, again, very good growth. Interestingly, the sector which has been doing the best now, which is banking, has had very mixed, kind of numbers, because the good results of some of the banks have been completely offset by a few others. So, for example, let's say, when I was looking at the Nifty Bank Index, banks like Canara Bank, IDFC First have come out with very good numbers, and that has been completely negated by, say, an IndusInd Bank or a Axis Bank, where the EPS growth has been very, very poor. So it has been a mixed bag. So if I have to look at overall, sector by sector, I think still, metals, realty, chemicals, healthcare, pharma, manufacturing, defense, and banking is where the interest is. Out of all of these, I think defense is the one which holds the most promise for at least the near to medium term.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.